Hi there. Last time, we talked about memory in a computer and some of its properties. You may remember that memory and storage are two completely different things when it comes to a computer. In this video, and in the following videos, we're going to be talking about storage and some examples of storage media. Welcome to Computer Check. Computer data storage, often called storage or memory, is a technology consisting of computer components and recording media used to retain digital data. It is a core function and fundamental component of computers. The central processing unit of a computer is what manipulates data by performing computations. In practice, almost all computers use a storage hierarchy which puts fast but expensive and small storage options close to the CPU and slower but larger and cheaper options farther away. Generally, the fast volatile technologies which lose data when of power are referred to as memory, while slower persistent technologies are referred to as storage. Magnetized storage or magnetic recording is the storage of data on a magnetized medium. Magnetic storage uses different patterns of magnetization in a magnetizable material to store data and is a form of non-volatile memory. The information is accessed using one or more read-write heads. Information is written to and read from the storage medium as it moves past devices called read and write heads that operate very close, often tens of nanometers over the magnetic surface. The read and write head is used to detect and modify the magnetization of the material immediately under it. There are two magnetic polarities, each of which is used to represent either 0 or 1. A hard disk drive or HDD, hard disk, hard drive or fixed disk, is a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information using one or more rigid rapidly rotating discs or platters coated with magnetic material. The platters are paired with magnetic heads arranged on a moving actuator arm, which read and write data to the platter surfaces. Data is accessed in a random access manner, meaning that individual blocks of data can be stored or retrieved in any order and not only sequentially. HDDs are a type of non-volatile memory, retaining stored data even when powered off. The primary characteristics of an HDD are its capacity and performance. Capacity is specified in unit prefixes corresponding to powers of 1000. A 1 terabyte drive has a capacity of 1000 gigabytes. A floppy disk, also called a floppy, diskette or just disk, is a type of disk storage composed of a disk of thin and flexible magnetic storage medium, sealed in a rectangular plastic carrier lined with fabric that removes dust particles. Floppy disks are read and written by a floppy disk drive or FDD. While floppy disk drives still have some limited uses, especially with legacy industrial computer equipment, they have been superseded by data storage methods with much greater capacity, such as USB flash sticks, flash storage cards, portable external hard disk drives, optical disks, and storage available through computer networks. Magnetic tape is a medium for magnetic recording, made of a thin magnetizable coating on a long, narrow strip of plastic film. It was developed in Germany. Based on magnetic wire recording, devices that record and play back audio and video using magnetic tape are tape recorders and videotape recorders. A device that stores computer data on magnetic tape is a tape drive. Magnetic tape revolutionized broadcast and recording. When all radio was live, it allowed programming to be recorded. At a time when gramophone records were recorded in one take, it allowed recordings to be made in multiple parts, which were then mixed and edited with tolerable loss in quality. It was a key technology in early computer development, allowing unparalleled amounts of data to be mechanically created, stored for long periods, and to be rapidly accessed. Today, we talk about storage and the meaning of storage, as well as one of many types of storage media, magnetic storage. we discussed three types of magnetic storage devices: the hard disk drive, floppy disk, and magnetic tape. Next time, we're going to be talking about solid state storage. Thank you for watching Computer Check.